Hello YouTube fan, I'm back. Today we're working on the Mustang. We're gonna try to clean all this up. We're gonna try to hook up the nitrous. We already added a brawler carburetor, and it made it run great, excellent. And I mean, at the end of this, if I get all this cleaned up, I'm gonna show you. So we're gonna hook up everything that's in. I see it has a line lock system over there, and also we're gonna try to do something with the wiring right here. But right now I'm going to try to get the nitrous hooked up and the purge, and we're gonna get the switches in the dash, and then we'll switch over and show you. But right now we're gonna do the wiring for the nitrous. And I try to use blue wire because it indicates code. So, like I say, I'm going to try to use blue for the because it indicates code, and then I'm gonna line it so I can make it look neat as possible. So we got the fuel solenoid here. We got the nitrous solenoid here. The purge solenoid next to it. And we're gonna wire the whole system up. I got the nitrous solenoid grounded. One wire is gonna be hot to the arm button inside the car. And then we're gonna try it. We're gonna activate to see what it is. This system, normally when I do a nitrous system, I normally put a relay in the system. A relay keeps you from burning up your solenoids. But this is a very small hole shot kit, I think what it is. It's an NOS hole shot kit, so you really don't need a relay on it. But I'm gonna put a fuse on the on button and the on the on switch, and then on the button. So, but right now I need the blue wire that's going inside the car. Okay, see, I got this set of solenoids. I got them grounded to the body here. I got this one grounded to the carburetor stud, and then this is the hot wire between both solenoid. Therefore, when it's armed and fire is put on the button, it activates solenoid. I'm gonna turn on the power just to test it, see the solenoids and see if they work. There's no nitrous bottle in it, so therefore I don't have any problem about testing the solenoids. Now I'm gonna tell you, be careful. You gotta be extra careful when you're doing your nitrous. I actually always take the bottle completely out of the car. That way I don't have any problem with when I test my solenoids. I don't have to worry about, oh, did I accidentally spray nitrous in the cylinders? And trust me, nitrous in the cylinders at startup is a bad combination. So you don't want to do that. All right, I got them grounded. Like I said, this is the hot wire that's going to the on button inside of the car. This is the hot wire from the battery that's in the trunk. That's how they got it wired here. So when I give this 12 volts, the solenoid should click. Perfect. All right. So we know they work. We know they work. Well, at least we know they'll take 12 volts. All right. Now we got to run this wire inside to the arm switch. I'm not sure there's an on switch in this car, but we're gonna go in there and find out. Right now I see where all the wires are already going. The nitrous. Okay, so they already got a hole in the firewall. So we're gonna run all our wires that we do out here. We're gonna run them through the same system, and then we're gonna make it look neat. But right now we're trying to get the nitrous to the inside of the car so we can put it on the arm switch and then a button. He's gonna use a button. Okay. All right, so we're back. I decided before I go in there to do arm switch and buttons, I would figure out the line lock deal. So they already got a line lock on here and look like it got it grounded to the pillar. And then they got a green wire that runs inside of the car, which is over here some kind of way. We're gonna change all that. So what we're gonna do is let's untape it first. We'll untape it. See what they got. Oh, they got a connector, which I don't like the green wire. Well, I like the green wire, but I don't like the way all the wires should be going to one place, not all over the car. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get a connector and we're gonna use line lock. We're gonna use gray wire for the line lock. That way when I get in there and when the wire comes through, I'll know which the nitrous wire, the purge wire, the line lock. I'll know all colors. And then I can write, so when I write it down, I'll know what I use for a schematic and the fuse. So if something happened and it blows the fuse, I can say, okay, the fuse on the gray wire is the line lock. The fuse on the pink wire is the purge. The fuse on the blue wire is the nitrous. So that way you'll know once you get your car wired up, what if something happens, goes wrong, what fuse blow you want to go through, you know. So let's get some gray wire. Then we're gonna test the solenoid. Make sure it works before we mess with it. And then we're gonna go run it inside. Then we're gonna go inside and try to find, we're gonna make whatever we have to do in there, we're gonna do it. And then we're gonna try to clean it up. Okay, so we got the power on. Once again. Yeah, I know y'all see that. I gotta get better. So I'm gonna get some heat shrink put on this connection. But right now I just want to test it, see the solenoid, if it works at all. Oh. Well. All right, so the solenoid, the line lock solenoid works. So we're gonna wire it up correctly. So we're gonna run this wire through the same hole with the nitrous. We're gonna, like I said, we're gonna come back and put heat shrink on it. But we're gonna run all the wires through the same hole so we can make it look neat. But from here, we gotta go inside the car. And see what switches and what buttons he has. See how we're gonna make this work. So I got the camera moved. I got it all wired. And the only thing I want to do is see can we purge it off. Then, okay, put a nitro bottle in it. And lo and behold, we put a nitrous ball in it, and lo and behold, the nitrous line from the bottle has a hole in it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn it on, try to get enough pressure up here and see can we get it to purge. All right, Jerry, turn it. All right, Jerry. Got it right. Got it right. Let me purge that thing off. You know, it's a big system.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Got a nitrous system on this Mustang. Y'all get ready. I'm gonna burn the tire off of it.
I would bump it through the motor, man.
Jerry say bump it through the motor. Well, let's try it, Jerry. What? You scared?
No.
All right. Jerry say bump it through the motor. See what we got going on here. Jerry, you got the key.
Yeah, back in the trunk.
I'll tell you when to turn that hawk on back there.
All right.
What did you see that muscle? Small block, that muscle small block did on the nitrous. I ain't gonna tell you how much I got on the kit, but I got some monsters on that kit right there. Somebody hit, I'm gonna burn the tire off this Mustang, I promise you. Okay, you two, got it all rewired, switch counter in. You see I got the nitrous hooked up, but you got a problem, got a hole in the nitrous line. We gotta get some, we're gonna clean it up on the hood, some kind of way we're gonna clean it up, like we did on the inside. And then we're gonna get the Mustang outside, take it for a trip, and see what she do. And of course, you know, we're gonna burn the tires off of it. We'll see you next time, you two.